When I was in college, KEB came and did a demonstration in one of our technical classes. It seemed really interesting, and they're looking for somebody to work part-time as an intern in our electronic production. So I applied for the position and started working part-time here back in 1997. Hey, my name is Aaron. I'm the service manager at KEB America. We work in the service department supporting our customers. When I first started on with KEB, we were in a much smaller facility. We only had like 30 employees, and as we grew, we moved over to Shakopee into a much larger building. Now we have about 120, 130 employees. We're looking at expanding our building, expanding our departments, our mechanical production, machining, electronic production. What I find, I guess, really energizing about KEB as a global company with locations in multiple different countries. Every couple of years we get together for a large global service meeting. So you get to meet and interact all these people that you email and talk to on the phone. It's very rewarding knowing that you're working together as a team on something so large. We work very closely with our quality department at KEB America and our quality department at KEB Germany. What we see coming back from the field gives us a very good indication of where our strengths are and where we need to make improvements. Our ultimate goal is to deliver a high quality product that's going to last for several years. We repair all of the KEB product families. Our large focus is on the drives, the inverters. Anything from a half horsepower drive to 400 horsepower drive. It varies day to day on what challenges we have with repairing. Sometimes we also work on large drive cabinets. We're also responsible for field service at our customer sites. A lot of times we go to a customer and help them with the application. If we can't resolve it remotely over phone support, TeamViewer, we'll go to the customer site, take a look at the application. Maybe it's a parameter setting in the drive, a hardware issue, wiring issue. We'll work with them on their complete application to look to see what's going on with our components, how it's working, integrated with the other components on the machine. So we share a load testing with our production. Repairs go through the same exact standards that new units adhere to. So when we deliver a repaired product, it's at the same quality that our new drives are available to our customers.